Hello, I'm Paul. Welcome to SAP TechEd Live 2008 here in Barcelona. I'm joined today here by Daniel. Hello.
Hi.
Greetings. And the topic of today's conversation is ABAP still relevant? And I'll start by saying a little bit about myself, and then we'll move on to Daniel's experiences. I myself started with SAP in 1997, so quite a fair old while ago now. And SAP was very, very different then, but I've been an ABAP programmer all these 20 odd years. And I believe you yourself are far, far younger than me, I can tell that. And how did you get into SAP and when?
Right, basically I started in 2015 as consultant with SAP. And the first thing I learned was ABAP. So I learned the basics, and afterwards I did a certification. And that's basically how it started.
That's all good, but I believe you're working on something quite different now than ABAP.
Right, as you might guess it, I pretty early started to focus on SAP Cloud Platform topics, especially on UI5 development, HANA development, on integrating on-premise systems with the SAP Cloud Platform, on building applications, on OData services from the on-premise systems we run through the SAP Gateway. And you might guess, since we introduced the CDS concept, you can also publish OData services, and that's what I'm mainly focusing on as of today.
Yes, I would imagine that's what a lot of people in the community have been thinking, that since the introduction of UI5 and CDS views being pillars of development, is there still a place for ABAP? And I myself still program in ABAP every day, and I work in a department of it, but as been said, people have worried. But my understanding is that SAP, now they have ABAP in the cloud, ABAP cloud environment, have been on a bit of a hiring spree. Is that your understanding as well?
Yeah, right, absolutely. I mean, ABAP is still growing and still developing. We just hired hundreds of ABAP-related employees at SAP. So I think it's still relevant, and we can't forget the thousands of customers we have that still run SAP-like systems. And so I think, if you focus on the whole concept, the whole SAP world, ABAP is still relevant from my point of view.
Yes, I suppose there's two sides to this. One, as you say, the legacy companies. Many companies still using Fortran today, and many people and COBOL, and many people consider that a dead language. So I think it'll be a long, long time before ABAP goes down that way. But the second bit, hiring 100 new graduates, that's quite a big investment for SAP in the ABAP world. And also, if people would look behind us, they see a whole bunch of people doing exercises, and I believe that's about the ABAP in the cloud as well.
Right. I mean, that's still a statement, and by publishing ABAP in the SAP Cloud Platform, we are emphasizing that ABAP is still relevant in the whole SAP world.
It's true. Well, I've been looking at the people doing the exercises, and it's been non-stop. People have been queuing up to get a place.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
They're the existing programmers, they must be interested.
Definitely.
So, if I had to summarize, it would be that a lot of people are still using ABAP to this day, and though things have changed very dramatically with CDS views and the like, there's still room for ABAP, and SAP is still making a massive, massive investment. I think that summarizes the message, and thank you very much indeed for joining me today, Daniel.
You're welcome.
Thanks. So, this is it from SAP TechEd Live. Thank you for watching.